Velocicoaster and see if we can get on. They let us in at 8:46. Took like 2 minutes to get in. So definitely be here early. So if you don't care about Velocicoaster, come here at opening for Hagrid's. It's always a standby when they first open up. And then sometimes if it's busy, it will go to virtual queue.
15-minute wait.
We're gonna try to ride this later after Velocicoaster. Hey, Velocicoaster.
Sweet. Morning.
Morning. There it is. There it is.
Wow.
Okay. Let's see. 10 minutes. Awesome. No issues. Just walk right on. 10-minute wait. It's worth getting here early.
When you return, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers.
I want to see blue. There's blue. I think.
Return to this room.
Okay.
Good morning.
It's 9:11 and we're going back a second time. So we're gonna see how long 15 minutes after it takes. It says 15 minutes.
Let's get you.
The gift shop takes us to the Dino Discovery Center. Okay.
Have a souvenir? Yeah, right.
But Pumpkin already has blue.
Okay, I need one. I need one, honey.
And the cups. I like the cups too. It's a big one.
You go see the dinosaur eggs.
Yeah. They were here first. That's cute. There's the pens, lanyards, Jurassic Park. Yeah. That's so cute. It's 22 bucks. It's a dinosaur egg. Oh my goodness. Some dinos. The kids.
Okay.
What?
That's it. You haven't.
Aw,
you
Raptor
gotta
Jacks.
buy that, right?
That's funny. I guess so. Cute. So they just opened this up. We ate over here and it was closed. So we'll have to come back with the kids. It's a cute, like, interactive area. Yeah, there's some little station over there. Some other DNA sequences. Big little DNA station. It looks like you can find fossils here. Okay, let's head out. I love these. It's Mr. DNA. I've never seen these before. Over in the shop when you go upstairs. Camp Cretaceous. I've already done kind of like a tour, but I just wanted to see if there was new stuff. Alright, 9:30. 9:30, it is 50 minutes. So if you get here 30 minutes after, you're going to be waiting a 50-minute wait.
At least.
Yep, at least. Okay, it's 9:30. We're going to go ahead to Hagrid's. We were able to ride the Velocicoaster 2 times in 30 minutes. And now we're going to see how long the wait is for Hagrid's.
60.
60 minutes. Not bad at all. We're going all the way back here, so I don't know if it's 60 minutes or not. There's the Sinbad show. It used to be here. Going all the way this way.
Oh, now this is a legit roller coaster. Let's go! Oh, Hagrid's hot. Hey, Hagrid.
This ride queue is gorgeous. Velocicoaster twice and then Hagrid's once. It was 30 minutes. So not bad at all. 30-minute wait. It said 60. Yep, and we walked on Velocicoaster. We're gonna head towards Green Eggs and Ham, but first we're gonna check this out because this just opened. Rainbow swirl cotton candy. We tried the cherry, it tasted just like normal cotton candy. Oh, rock candy. Character bars mint cookie. I tried these before too.
You would get 6 pieces for whatever the deal is.
How much is the deal on the other side? Is it the same?
It was, no, it wasn't that many. It was 4 for something.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, they got some fudges over here. Salted caramel. Cookies and cream. That's good.
Let the kids come over here and do this sometime.
Crunchy candy.
Look, we got this stuff and we got this powder.
Oh yeah, they'll be hyped up for days.
Oh, they got all kinds of good stuff too. Sour stuff.
And these assorted balls. Like little rocks, looks like rocks. It's like cookies.
Hello, Lauren. Happy birthday, Heather. Thank you.
Oh, that's close. Okay.
They have enhancement in progress.
That's why this is open.
Yeah.
So they're refurbishing the other candy store that you exit out of the train. It said maybe this week they'll open. So they're just replacing the floor and stuff like that. So they had the other shop open. It has basically everything that they had. Seuss Landing is 5-minute wait at 10:30 in the morning. So not bad. No one really comes over here first. They usually rush to the other rides. It'll get busier probably about noon or 1. 5 minutes as well. So it looks like everything's a walk-on. So sometimes they have the characters over here as well as the stage. That's nice little photo spot. And then we're gonna go over here to Green Eggs and Ham. We just did a tour of this area that just reopened, and it's a cute little area. Some stuff's still closed off though. All right, let's go eat. This is our favorite quick service over here. It's $10 for a big plate of food. We have the Green Eggs and Ham and the buffalo chicken. We've done a review, so I'll put that in the link below if interested. But it's always good, right?
Well, this is fresh.
Yeah, it's always fresh. Well, since we've been here.
But we rode the Velocicoaster twice before they made this one.
Yeah, it took about 20 minutes, so be prepared.
But it was good.
Okay, thoughts on Velocicoaster? You go first.
Very fast. You don't even have a chance to really relax on it. It's constant adrenaline rush.
Yes. I think I screamed so much my throat hurt.
Yeah, me too.
Like, it's just intense the whole time. So, and the Hulk and Rock and Roller Coaster, I think is intense in the beginning, but this is like intense like almost the entire
The way
time.
through.
You feel like you're gonna die multiple times, but in a good way, in an exciting death.
I mean, the tallest part of the coaster is in the middle.
Yeah, it's
which
not
is
in the
cool.
beginning.
You go faster. When you think you're going fast,
Yeah, then you go
even
faster. So if you want to compare it to Hagrid's, I don't think we will.
can't.
Velocicoaster is more exciting, but Hagrid's is just amazing. The animatronics, the story, like you were saying, the scenery.
The scenery alone at Hagrid's is where it's at. Theme-wise, Velocicoaster doesn't really have a huge theme. I do like how it's placed in Jurassic World, and it feels like you're there.
Like you're in the movie.
Like you're in the movie part. But as far as theming, I mean, as far as story, not much.
Yeah, not as much story as Hagrid's.
Not like Hagrid's.
Has
Hagrid's
the whole story.
is a, what do they call it? A lesson. You're getting a motorcycle lesson, I think is what that is.
Yep. And you have all the animals and all the things from the movie, so that's really
Animatronics.
cool. But this is, you're going too fast to really look at anything at Velocicoaster, so If you love intensity, you're gonna love it, and you have to go on it.
If you love 3 minutes of intensity, that's what it is.
And I would recommend, because it's new, getting here before park opens. Go wait outside and then go straight to it. We walked right on at 8:55 a.m.
It was a walk-on for
And
us.
then we got back off, and then it was about a 15-minute wait. And then we got back off, and then it was about a 50-minute wait. So I think it gets up to 2 hours or so. So go there first, and then ride Hagrid's after. So, anything else? All right, it was awesome. Go
Fun
on
stuff.
it. It's 11:30, and it's starting to pick up. 60 minutes, 50 minutes.
Yeah, I saw Forbidden Journey was 60.
So yeah, definitely by 11 o'clock, it's gonna be busier.
You do rides 5 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna see what's in here too while we're at it, just for the heck of it. We tried some of this stuff before. It smells good in here.
Smells great. We need 6 pieces of both.
Yeah, we had the espresso brownie before, which was okay. Minion s'more was a little dry. Brookies are always good. And then they have the fudges. Okay, they still have buy 4, get 2 free here too. Butterfinger. Oh, key lime. Mom would like that. Orange cream. So it looks like they make the fudge fresh. That's awesome. Smells delicious.
I was gonna say there's nothing in that one.
Oh, okay.
They look like
Is it butter?
Yeah, I haven't started it yet.
Oh, I
Here's
see.
going.
Oh.
The paddle.
There's a lot to do.
Yeah. Delicious.
It's lots of steps, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of steps.
Fun stuff.
Oh, and then they do the nuts over here too.
Yeah.
So everything will be fresh. All right, that was a great day at Islands of Adventure. Get here early and you can get so much done by 12.
Stay epic, hit subscribe. For more videos, go our channel and subscribe.